It's a time of the year. This is cute. Mga supportive friends.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
Hello everyone, it's December again at pag per month actually, dapat noong September pa nagsimula na tayong mag-decorate sa ating bahay kasi ganun tayong mga Pinoy ka-excited sa Pasko, and I think most of us would agree that this is our favorite season. Now, i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung ating Christmas decors na ilalagay natin for this Christmas 2023, and I'm so happy that we have decided to put on a full, not really a full Filipino, but it's a Filipino inspired, and lahat ng binili natin na mga bagong decors for this Christmas is all Filipino lineup. We got it from Kultura, and i-share ko lang sa inyo kung ano ba yung mga nabili namin kasi there are a lot of items na nakita namin doon and sobrang nakakatuwa. Celebrate Christmas with Christmas decors inspired by Filipino influences, Filipino culture, and even our Filipino designs and tradition. So, we have an all IKEA lineup last year. So, this year naman, it's all Kultura naman. Integrate na lang natin yung mga IKEA items natin. But mostly, ito lahat ay galing from the Philippines. Mga gawang Pinoy. Yung pinakaunang item na ipapakita ko sa inyo. This is very cute. Isa sa ating icon for Christmas is Santa Claus, which is actually not Pinoy, but this time, ginawa siyang Pinoy version, which is he is offering, is this puto bongbong? Suman? Oh, suman, yeah. Which is kakanin and suman. And ito, tatlo siya. Isang malaki, isang maliit, and this one. Christmas is a happy time, a happy moment. Yan, kung ano na pinagsasabi ko. Ito, kumuha kami ng dalawang angels with instruments kasi ilalagay natin ito somewhere kung saan merong music. And then, we have parols. Cute nito. Doon tayo sa parol. Parol making contest. So, ito yung parol. Sobrang ganda. Ang kulit. Ang ganda. And same material din siya doon sa Christmas. Iba pa lang material sa Christmas tree. Very simple, classy, and
parang sinamay yata yung tao.
Hindi sinamay. Very, basta nakaka-happy lang talaga tingnan yung mga Christmas decor. So, sino bang ayaw maging masaya sa Pasko? 'Di ba? Itong next, this is very important, sabi ng mama ko. Sabi ng mama ko, pag Christmas daw, yung mga decors mo, dapat kailangan meron to at hindi to dapat nawawala. Kasi the essence of Christmas, other than love, is family. So, for the gift of family, nakakita kami ng sobrang magandang set ng bilin. Ayan si Papa Jesus, oh. Ayan siya, baby Jesus. I don't know pag ayan. Cute. Tapos, andyan si Mama Mary. And, sobrang bagay din siya dito sa bahay. Sobrang cute. And that's it. I think that's it. Oh no, we still have one Christmas tree. Sobrang ganda niya. It's made of kapis. Tapos meron na siyang parang mga konting Christmas ornaments na ganyan. You're supporting local business as well, and for sure, even if Kultura is very established, they got all this from provinces na nagpo-produce ng mga products na to. And ito na siya, ito na sila lahat. Konti lang. May kasamang bear. Ayan na yung aming Christmas decors. Ilalagay natin yan dito sa bahay. Last year, meron kaming all IKEA lineup ng Christmas decors. Ito, lalagay ko dito yung link. And some of the items, gagamitin natin siya. Kasi sayang naman kung ilalagay natin sa, or hindi natin gagamitin. Let's start! Cute.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing.
And set up natin yung ating bilin. Actually, excited ako sa bilin.
Dikit mo muna si Jesus yun. Sa ikat mo. Tama, nakita na.
So you don't have to buy everything naman. Like this one. Ano to, dahon. Tapos nilagyan namin ng, since meron kaming maliliit na Christmas balls, lagyan mo siya doon. Para na siya naging Christmas decor. Oh. Diba? See? Nagkabunga na yung mansanitas natin. Kanina wala siyang bunga. Ngayon, may bunga na.
Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to
Ayun! Perfect! Guys, we have finally put everything together and tapos na nating magawa yung ating bilin, yung ating nabiling Christmas tree, yung ating parol, and the rest of the ornaments and the home decors that we got from Kultura earlier. We always incorporate kung anong meron tayo dati para hindi tayo laging bili ng bili, and we're just happy. I'm personally happy kung ano yung naging itsura niya. So I'll give you a tour kung ano yung naging itsura. Just same as last year, pakita natin kung ano yung transformation at anong pinagkaiba ng nagalagay ng home decors. Kasi if you haven't put your home decors yet, I strongly suggest please do. Iba talaga yung dala ng Christmas spirit sa bahay. Sobrang nakakatuwa. And we are able to get Jose Marichan album as well. So, sobrang nostalgic yung mga kinakanta natin dati sa Christmas party when we were kids, we were young. Sobrang daming nadadalang memories. So, wala talagang choice kundi maging masaya this Pasko. So, this is the look. Tingnan natin, itutour ko kayo. I hope you will like it. Now, this is how our display shelf, meron siyang Christmas tree, same sa ating dining table earlier. Candles natin dyan. Nilagay na lang natin dyan ulit ang ating Star Wars decor. Our photos with friends. Ayan si Santa. Cute. Yan yung itsura niya. And would you believe it, the only thing from Kultura, ang dinagdag lang namin dito is this one, and this one. At sobrang nag-iba yung itsura niya from last year. Maybe it's a different shelf naman kasi, but totally different vibe. And these are one of my favorites. The parol. Sobrang ganda ng parol. And this is one of my favorites sa mga parol na nilagay natin dito sa ating doors. No, pag bago ka pumasok ng rooms, all of our doors has parol. And then paglabas mo naman sa kwarto, ito yung mabubungad sa'yo. Paglabas. And usually I wake up na bukas na yung lights. Cool. Nakakatawa. Now, over here, meron tayong star. Actually, last year pa yan. Tapos hindi na namin siya tinanggal yung light na yan. That's actually star. And then we have a parol here. And some Christmas decors from here. From Kultura. Same as what we add dito. You can see. Same lang yan sila para magkakasama yung vibe habang nanonood ng TV. And we use our old decors just to add. And sayang naman kung hindi magamit, di ba? And on the side sa aming gaming table, wala kaming malalagay dito na mga Christmas ornaments or Christmas decors, but meron kaming extra na maliliit na Christmas balls. Ginawa namin, dinagdag na lang namin yun. Tapos naging instant, meron kaming Christmas decors dito. Tingnan nyo. Oh, namunga ng mansanitas. Ang cute. And of course, the highlight. Sabi ng mama ko, mama mo! Well, sabi ng mama ko, when I was a kid, every time nagde-decorate si mama, lagi niyang ini-emphasize na of all the decorations, dapat meron lagi nito sa bahay pagdating ng Christmas. So, actually naririnig ko siya from our priest pag Christmas, yun yung mga sinasabi sa mass, but before hearing it from anyone else, una ko siya narinig sa mama ko. Mama mo! Di ba? So, ito yung bilin na nabili natin kanina. Nilagay namin siya sa, this one is from Ikea. Let me lower. This one is from Ikea. Nilagay namin siya sa loob. And then, ginamit naman yung old wreath. And yan yung three kings. Ayan yung, shepherd. And si Mary and Joseph. And of course, si Papa Jesus. Diyan din yung star. Nagawa namin ng paraan. Paano siya lumutang dyan. Hindi na namin binalik yung carpets, but here, Christmas colors. So, ganyan yung feels ng bahay since nag-decorate na tayo for Christmas, and sobrang nakakatuwa lang. We're happy that we're able to decorate again this year. Again, sobrang iba yung nadadala ng tuwa ng may mga Christmas decors. And I'm looking forward na makita ko din yung mga decorations nyo sa bahay. Kung ano man yung mga plano nyo or kung ano man yung ipinaglalagay nyo. And if there's anything that you would like to share, please have that on the comment section. Alright guys, that has been our intro for Vlogmas. I think it's one good way to start the Vlogmas season. Our favorite season of the year is here. Hopefully we got several or more videos to come. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And ayun, woof woof na daw sabi ni Shoyu. Thanks again guys. See you again on the next video. Bye!